Okay, I'm here with our first kit that we're going to start checking out, and this one is called All About Magnets, and it is for kindergarten through third grade kids, so the younger set. And let me just go ahead and start showing you what's in there. First of all, it comes in this nice bag with a zipper on top, so you want to make sure you're zipping the zipper nicely to keep everything in. And see, there it says all about magnets. Well, it doesn't want to focus, but it says all about magnets. And on the other side is a nice piece of paper that describes everything that is in this bag, in this kit, so that you can, when it's time to bring it back, you can check the outside and make sure that you've got everything in there. Now remember, I said before, in every kit there is one book and 2 hands-on activities. So let's just go ahead and unzip this and take a peek. First of all, the one book is called Magnets Push, Magnets Pull by David A. Adler and illustrated by Anna Raff. And it's a good idea to go ahead and start out by reading the book so you kind of have an idea of what the hands-on activities might be about. So Magnets Push, Magnets Pull. Okay, and then we have 2 magnet activities. This first one is called Magnet Movers, and let me go ahead and open the box and I'll show you what is inside the box. When you look in, there's just a bunch of stuff in there. A very important part of a lot of our kits are the cards, or you could call them directions or instructions, activities. These cards, which are very important, make sure this comes back, give you some good ideas about what to do with the pieces and parts inside the kit. Okay, so the first part in this one is a big bar magnet, and just to, in case you put it to the side and you can't remember where it goes, that's not focusing, but it says Newton Public Library on it, so you can remember. Okay, and then also in here there is a magnet that is blue and red and says N and S for north and south. A pole with 2 ring magnets that are attached to it that way. 2 magnet balls. Now this one is one to really pay attention to. Chips, magnet chips, 30 of them, 30. So you have to really make sure that you've got all 30 of those back in there. And then it's still kind of wrapped up because we want to take extra special care of it, but this is a U-shaped magnet or horseshoe magnet. Okay, so that's everything in there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 with lots in there, 5, 6 parts plus the directions. Okay, that's in the first one. Now magnets are super fun, so we actually have a whole nother magnet set, and this one's a little bit easier to make sure you keep the pieces and parts. It is called STEM, there it is again, STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math, Magnets Activity Set. And you can see on the outside some of the fun stuff that is in there. So you see again a horseshoe magnet, but this one's bigger. We also see another pole with some rings on it. We see some of those north-south magnets. This time there are some cars and some bugs, and you can see even a little bit of a maze. I'll open it up. I'm not going to take out every part, but I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, and this one also, remember, this one has lots of cards in there, and those cards are very important. And it has directions and lesson plan kind of a thing, an activity guide. So grown-ups, that gives you some ways to think about using these. And there's our maze, and under the maze there is a special spot for everything. So just make sure you fill all the spots back up. And then you can put the tray on top of that, and the cards and the directions on top of that. And that is your magnet set. So there you are. You have your one book, Magnets Push, Magnets Pull, and your 2 hands-on activities, Magnet Movers and Magnets Activity Set. And this is ready to be checked out now. So if you want, you can either call in or your grown-up can do it online, put it on hold, and when they come, we'll figure out a way. They'll have to sign a little paper that says they promise to bring back all the pieces and parts. We do want to make sure to point out this is for kindergarten through third grade. There are little pieces. It is not good to be around little children, ages 3 and under, so make sure that if you have little ones at your home, that you use this at a time when it's not going to end up putting them in danger, because they could get the little pieces and parts, and magnets are really dangerous for little ones if they get inside their tummy. So we don't want any magnets and stuff near the little ones. Okay, so parents will sign a little bit of a contract that says they promise to bring back all the pieces, and I hope that you enjoy this kit, and have happy reading and happy STEMming, science, technology, engineering, and mathing. Have a good summer. Bye-bye.